Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can disable the invitation link for co-editors and collaborators in your documents on Goodnotes. For instance, if you have accidentally shared that link with the given person and I would like to revoke that invitation and successfully block access to the given document here in Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. Open up the Goodnotes application, and what you want to do is navigate to the given document. So let me head back to the home section, select this document here, double click into it, and here in the top right, click into share and export, and below you will see the shareable link. So to disable it, click into this button at the top, and here you may disable the shareable link, confirm by clicking into this button, and as you can see, anyone with the link or with access to the link will lose access to the shared document. So let me do that. And now the document has been set to private so that you're the only one with access to it. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.